Hi, I'm Architect Anel from AEP Design Construction. So, ngayon, tutur namin kayo ngayon sa newly built na bahay sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, tara, pasok tayo. Hi, so, itong details ng bahay ngayon is a 2-story with roof deck. So, around 210 square meter ang floor area nito. At the same time, yung ating lote naman is around 120 square meter. So, this is a 10 meters by 12 meters lot. So, it's a modern Asian inspired yung ating design. So, kung makikita mo dito, around yung mga accents na ginamit natin dito is more on mga stones for the accent walls natin. At the same time, we use neutral tone colors like brown and for our spandrel. At the same time, para dun sa ating mga walls natin, ang napakagandang ginamit dito is sobrang earth tone lang. Kasi bakit? Para at least kahit na paano mag-blend sa surroundings, at the same time, maging maganda yung kalabasan ng ating facade. So, ang architect nito is designed by Architect Kathleen Dunas by Handprint Island Architects. So, you can search their Facebook page sa Facebook para at least nakita niyo po yung mga set of designs nila, and constructed by AEP Design Construction. So ngayon, tutur namin kayo, pasok tayo sa loob. Tara! So dito makita natin, so this is a 36 square meter na garahe. So kung makita mo dito, this is flat for 2 cars. So, napaka-spacious po nito. Dinesign talaga to for 2 SUV or at least 2 sedan na sasakyan. So, on this part, nakikita nyo dito, meron tayong mga accent windows. So, meron din tayong mga grill na nilagay para at least protection and security ng may-ari. So, on the side, makikita natin dito. Okay, so, andito yung ating dirty kitchen. So, this is 2 counters kung saan ito yung ating pwede magugasan or pwede maglaba. And then ito pwede for another dirty kitchen. So ito yung buong side portion, left side portion ng bahay. So provide to for a dirty kitchen. So pasok tayo sa main door. Itong main door natin, so this is made of Nara. So kung makita mo, so it's newly built. At the same time, itong ating stone is natural stone na kung saan ay accent design natin on this portal. So we have accent light here to emphasize yung pinaka main entry door natin. So a solid door Nara. So pagpasok natin dito, so makita natin, ito yung ating entrance hallway. Upon entry, so makikita natin dito itong ating first bedroom. So yung first bedroom natin, kung mapapansin mo dito, okay, so ito yung unang bedroom natin. So it's a sliding door. So ito yung main office or home office ni owner. So kung mapapansin mo dito, it's a very small lang. So it's around 5 square meter itong portion na to. So upon this home office, on this part naman, nakikita natin, so ito yung ating living/dining area. So this is our dining area. So dito makikita mo dito, this is around 19 to 20 square meter, wherein pwede kang maglagay at least 6-seater dining area or dining table. So to make it more modern, so we emphasize at least a modern ceiling design na meron tayong PVC wood design on an accent sa center ng ating dining area with the combination of a white ceiling on a gypsum board. So sa part na to, kung mapapansin mo naman dito, we have at least a modern design modular kitchen cabinet. So we emphasize here, the client wants a clean design of modular kitchen. So we did not use an ordinary white laminate, but we use a high gloss finish of laminate. So makapansin mo dito, sobrang linis lang niya. Okay, wala kang makikitang mga handle. Because this is a finger pull design sa portion na to, okay? At the same time, is a soft closed hinges ang meron tayo, okay? So, isa sa pinakamagandang part din ng ating kitchen is we have a modern type electric countertop with a range hood, okay? So, just pull it up and ayan, mag-function na siya. So, if you want to turn off, just push that range hood lang. Okay? So, sa part na to, ang maganda nito, we have a very modern kitchen faucet. Okay? So, na kung saan pwede mo siyang magamit. Okay? Sa part na yan, sa paglilinis. So, we have a very modern kitchen sink with a combination of a white plain quartz. Okay, so we have a cabinet, under cabinet here with a soft close hinge. Okay, ang maganda rin sa portion ng ating drawer, hindi po ito ordinary drawer. Why? Because this is a push button. Okay, push mo lang siya. Okay, push mo lang, doon na mag-open ng ating mga drawer. So, to close it, again, you have to push it again para mag-close siya. Okay, so ito yung maganda sa ating modular kitchen cabinet. So, on this part of the bar area, nakikita mo naman dito, okay, so we have a combination of wood and high gloss finish design. Okay, so this is a white quartz with a bar area dito sa part na to. So, you could put at least a high chair portion, or if you want to have a more relaxation sa part if nasa long day ka ng trabaho, okay? So pagdating mo gusto mo mag-relax, so you have a mini bar area here na kung saan quick access with the kitchen. Okay? So very modern talaga itong design natin ng ating living / dining area at ating kitchen area. So ito yung pinaka-highlight ng ating modern 2-story with roof deck. So, for the living area, so dito natin pwedeng ilagay ang ating entertainment area. So, ang ating TV. So, we have a design of glass with a wood top design. Okay, this is Anara. Ang maganda nito, ang feature ng stairs natin is we have a high grand ceiling na dito ay naka-design for a chandelier. So, the client wants more grandeur na high ceiling, kaya kahit medyo maliit yung space na to, is priority talaga i-design ni Architect Kathleen is yung magandang high ceiling. So makapansin mo rin dito yung accents natin ng ating mga high windows. So the owner wants a more Filipino modern. So kung makita mo dito with a touch of classic design yung ating mga grills. Okay, with a fixed window. Okay. So, sobrang ganda ng pagkaka-design na to. So, kung makikita mo rin yung high ceiling natin, so, the design of the high ceiling is a combination of PVC wood ceiling at the same time, gypsum board. So, in a flat white ceiling. So, sobrang ganda. At the same time, itong ating marble is 600 by 120 centimeter. So, it's granite style marble design. So, dito sa ating likod na portion or sa rear part ng bahay, makikita natin. So, this is designed for planters. So, naka-design to for more plants. At the same time, itong size na area natin. So, kung makikita mo dito sa portion na to, so, they could put a lawn area here. Yan. So, ito yung ating napakagandang design, na classic design ng ating fixed grills na meron siyang accent classic design. So, kung makikita mo rin yung ating ceiling, okay, on this part, we use a spandrel metal wood finish. So, para at least maging sturdy talaga siya at matibay. So, hindi siya basta-basta masisira, okay, from the weather. So, ito yung part natin ng back area. So, kung makapansin mo dito, we have a big sliding door. So, paglabas mo dito, pwede tayong maglagay ng at least a small portion of lanay area. So, pwedeng magpahinga. while having your plants here. Okay, so pwedeng a 4-seater small table at the same time. Siyempre, magandang view ng ating plant area dito. So, for future plan ni owner, nalagyan dito ng magandang plant area. Okay, so let's proceed sa ating second floor. Tara. Okay, so dito sa ating stairs, so we have some few more details here. So we use a wood plank dito, so with a varnish laminate. At the same time, for the stairs design, so si client is more into Filipino modern design. So naglagay kami dito ng Machuca tiles design, wherein dito nakalagay sa mga sidings ng ating mga tiles stair step. Okay, so para at least magkaroon ng design ng portion going to our second floor area. So let's go. So by the way, we use Nara here for our wood top, handrail finish. At the same time, we use a combination of steel and tempered glass. So sa ating second floor area, so what we have here is at least another family area na kung saan dito magkakaroon tayo ng second living room. Okay? So dito, pwede ka rin mag-gather. So another set of sofa wherein you could put here your TV area. Dito naman yung portion for another set of family gathering. Okay? So we use here at least 200 by 120 wood tiles. Okay, so on our first room, we have 3 rooms here sa portion ng second floor. So we have the master's bedroom and the 2 bedrooms. At the same time, with 1 common toilet and 1 master toilet for the master bedroom area. So we will go for the master bedroom. So sa portion na to, okay, so we use at least very calming na color. Okay, so this is a color preference to owner. At least with a tricolor design of the light. So once you off that, so nagkakaroon siya ng ibang kulay. Okay, so papakita namin sa inyo ngayon ng aming master bathroom. So here on our master bathroom, so we have a modern lavatory, okay? At the same time, lavatory faucet with a hot and cold option. So maganda rin dito is we have a modern lavatory fixtures and at least a sliding door, shower enclosure. So we have at least modern shower head dito na kung saan a combination of gray tile with an accent tiles here sa part na to. Okay, so ito yung ating master bathroom. So going to our common toilet, what we have here is at least a simple toilet with at least a shower head and a built-in or at least a ready lavatory sa portion na to. So this is on our common toilet area sa portion ng second floor. On our second bedroom, on second floor area, so ang makikita natin dito, napakaganda kasi bakit? Sa portion na to, so it's a combination of green design. Okay, so mint green ang theme ng ating second bedroom. So we have a fixed corner glass here to make it more modern. At the same time, we have a tropical design of jalousie type window. Okay, hindi lang po yung mga ganitong design. So it's a late 1980s, 1970s type of window design. Pero at least si owner kasi is a fanatic of tropical design. So gusto niya is walang naharangan yung window. So gusto niya full extent of airflow ng hangin ang manggaling papasok sa ating room. Okay, so sobrang ganda. Kasi bakit? Our window is reflective glass design, so hindi nito kita sa loob. Ito yung maganda sa ating design ng ating window. So going to our terrace area, so pakita namin sa inyo itong part na to. So by the way, itong ating door is made up of Nara. Sa part na to is very spacious terrace area. Okay, so makita mo dito is a modern glass with a combination of square tubular. Okay, so we have a tempered glass here na kung saan ma-emphasize talaga yung pagiging modern ng bahay natin. So ang maganda dito, we have at least a modern accent of stone accent sa part na to. At the same time, itong ating corner glass that emphasize a more modern Asian design. Okay? So, ito yung ating terrace area for the second floor. So, ang maganda rin nito is you can access the public here. So, kasi hindi siya naka-access lang sa ating part ng master bedroom, kundi naka-access siya sa ating main hallway. Okay? So, tara. Okay, so going inside again sa ating third bedroom naman. So, kung makita mo dito sa ating third bedroom, so, minaximize natin itong area na to. Okay? So, kung saan dito makita mo yung other portion of the house. So, we have a side corner window here. So, kung makita mo dito, we have two Dallas-type window at the same time with a lavender painted wall. Okay? So, ang maganda rin dito, kasang-kasa dito at least one single bed, or if you want a double deck, kaya-kaya. So with wardrobe design, okay, or wardrobe area mo dito, or study area. Okay? So on our door naman, kung mapapansin mo dito, we have at least a transom design kung saan meron tayong portion ng glass. Okay? So hindi siya full-size wooden door. So meron tayong portion dito na glass window, which is the transom part of the door. Okay, so going on the last level of our house, so which is our roof deck area. So papakita namin sa inyo itong part na to. So this is the stairs going to the roof deck area. So kung makikita mo dito, okay, so we use at least wooden type of stair step with a combination of glass and square tubular with a handrail po na Nara. Okay? So, talagang binadgetan po talaga ni owner yung ating stair step na to. So, pinaganda po talaga. So, let's go sa ating roof deck area. Okay? So, medyo tight lang po ito because we maximize the whole area here. So, going up. So, ito yung ating another part of the roof deck area. So, may maximize namin dito. We put again here at least the laundry area. Okay? So, we have an access of the washing machine here together with our together with this water access here. So, going to our roof deck area, so we provide at least this part para at least dito makapag-relax si owner. Okay? So, on this area naman, sobrang ganda ng part na to kasi sobrang aliwalas. So, kung makikita mo sa view na to, meron tayong view ng Makiling. Okay? So, sobrang ganda. While having breakfast on a morning. Okay? With the sunrise. Okay? So, makikita mo yung part na to. So, we have at least lamppost here na kung saan kahit gabi medyo maganda yung view natin dito. So we have at least half of the portion of the house. So this is around 16 to 18 square meter tong part ng ating roof deck area. Sobrang spacious nito for another space for family area, small gathering with the relatives. So sobrang ganda ng area na to na kung saan makakapag-relax ka. Okay? So, ito yung pinaka general information ng ating bahay. So, makita mo dito ngayon, ito yung ating mga areas, okay? So, i-review natin. So, with the expenses of our construction dito sa bahay na to, rough estimate of this house is around, maximum na nagastos is around, overall, around 5 million to 5.4 million. Okay? So, ang per square meter ngayon ng bahay na to, if you're going to compute it on a per square meter basis, is around 30,000 per square meter on our standard basis. And for our high-end or mid-finish is around 38 to 40,000 per square meter. Ayun na po yung mga price natin. For the high-end elegant, so it's around 50 up per square meter. Okay? So, ito yung mostly ginagamit nating pattern ngayon para at least makapag-construct tayo ng bahay on a roughly estimation. Pero itong bahay na to is constructed around 9 months on construction period. So, ngayon, for turnover na at the same time, ready to use na ni owner, ready for turnover na. So, salamat sa pag-guide sa amin ngayon, sa pag-tour sa bahay na pagsama sa amin, at hanggang dito nakasama ka namin. So, if you have other concerns, you can check our website, www.aapdesignconstruction.com, and you can search us on our Facebook page and Instagram, search AAP Design Construction or AAP_Design Construction sa aming Instagram naman. So, thank you and God bless. See you all.